You English no.
Yeah, can you please single click on the very first link called Oracle. Again, click on go to site, and on the very right side, you are very right top, you are getting the download option. Make a single click here, and again here download anyway. Okay, now it is getting downloaded. Now again, make a single click on the same link, means the second link, SQL Developer. Make a single click on go to site. Again, make a single click download and download anyway. Click on download anyway. Now again, make a single click on this next link. So like this, we have to download all the 4 links.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah, download anyway. Again, make a single click on the very last link and click on go to site and download anyway. Click on download anyway. Now after this, all the 4 links will get downloaded, and we have to copy all the downloaded file, and we have to paste it into the C drive. Just in a C drive, create one new folder and keep all these software into a single place. Okay,
Okay.
once it will get downloaded, then only.
Yeah, I've created one.
Yes, you folder. So the folder which you have created in the C drive, Informatica. So here in this folder only, we will keep all the software in a single place,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will go for the installation part.
Oh,
And after every installation, we need to restart our system. It means for the very first time, the very first thing, we will install Java, and after installing the Java, once it is done, then we will restart our system, so it will get refreshed. The next, we will install our Oracle, and once the Oracle will get installed, then again we will restart our system. Then we will restart. Then again we will do the installation part for the SQL developer, and again we will restart our system. And then only at the very last, we have to go for the Informatica installation, and the sequence should not be broken. Okay, so
okay.
now I can see all the file has been downloaded. So come to the download section first.
So shall I move all these now?
Yeah, Java, Informatica, Oracle, and one more file, SQL Developer. Copy these all files and come to the C drive folder and paste it over here. Now we will extract each and every file one by one. Now make a right click on the Informatica.
Informatica, right?
Informatica. Make a right click on the same and extract. Just make a single click first. Make a single click on the Informatica RAR. Okay. Now make a right click.
No, it's not showing.
Make a right click on the same. And are you getting the option to extract
No,
here? Not getting? Okay, no worries. So now come to the Google and just type there uh, winrar.com.
no, WinRAR is already there with me.
From the Google, first we will download WinRAR file if our zip file
Mm-hmm.
is not getting open from there. winrar.com, and here click on the download WinRAR and scroll down. Again is download WinRAR and again scroll down.
Yeah.
Now I can see,
No, no.
keep it and then let it get downloaded.
It's not.
It is done. Now make a double click on the same WinRAR file. Now click on install for the WinRAR. Click on OK.
Mhm.
Then click on done. Again come to the C drive where the software Informatica and all we have downloaded. Now make a right click on the Informatica. You can see the icon has been changed, and pick the option extract here.
Extract here. Okay.
Yes. Okay, and let it get extracted, and one by one we will do the extraction for all the zip file which we have downloaded.
Okay.
So the extraction of Informatica, it will take some time. Now, now the Informatica has been unzipped. On the same manner, unzip the Java, make a right click on the same, and pick the option extract here. Yeah. And on the same manner, make a right click on Oracle XE and extract here. On the same manner, for the SQL developer, make a right click and extract here. Now, the very first thing we have to download, we have to install Java. So make a double click on the Java extracted file. Again, make a double click on JDK8U, and Java is a direct installation. So we are wherever we are getting the option next, so we have to click on next, next, next. Okay. And then once the Java will install, we have to restart our machine. So here it, hold on. Now click on next, again next. Yeah.
Vishnu, just a minute. Let me get my charger.
So click on next. Now we have to close this one. Okay. And now we have to restart our machine, and then we will go for the
Okay.
installation of next.
Uh, Next, which one?
Next, make a double click on the disk one, the very top, that is the Oracle XE. Again, make a double click on the setup. Click on next. Yeah, I accept, and then click on next. Then click on next. Here, give the password like uh, admin, capital ADMIN, and second also capital ADMIN. A will be the capital, rest is small. Next, now hold on. And here, just take a picture of this. It will be required while we install the Informatica. These details will be required. Yes, here it is done. Now you can save these details. So later on, these details will be utilized by Informatica. Here, now click on install. Now the installation has begun. It will take some time. Now click on finish over here. Yeah. And then again we need to restart our screen. So please restart it.
Restarting only will take bit time only.
Now make a double click on the SQL developer. Again make a double click over here. Make a double click on the second last icon. Second last, the SQL developer. Yeah.
This one?
Yes. Now click on next. Okay. Over here only for the
Okay.
yeah. Click OK. So now here you can see the SQL developer is getting loaded, installed. Here click on no. Here untick the allow automated users reporting to Oracle. Untick that one. Untick that one.
Mm-hmm.
And then click on OK. Now make a single click on the green color plus icon at the very left side, very left top. Yes, make a single click on the thing. Now here give the connection name as admin,
Capital A, right?
capital A, admin, and the username is system, and the password is the same password which we had given while installing the Oracle. So the same capital A and admin. And
Mm-hmm.
here now click on the test very down, very down.
Test.
Click on test. Now the connection established. Click on connect.
Do you want to save?
Okay, you can save it, no problem. So the later we will not require whenever we will open the same. Click on connect.
Save and connect.
Okay, so you can see the left side, the same tab has been created, admin. Again, make a single click on the admin, plus sign of the admin, very left side. Single click on the plus sign of admin.
Disconnect.
No. Right. Make a single click on the plus sign. Yes. Now let it. Okay. Yes. Done. So here in the icon, in the SQL, just type alter user HR.
Pardon? Alter.
Yes.
Alter
User
user.
HR
Mm-hmm.
identified by HR by HR account unlocked.
Okay.
Yeah. Semicolon and execute the command. Now next again type grant connect resource DBA to HR. Then
Execute.
execute it. Okay. Again on the same manner, come to the very left side, green color plus icon at the very top. Make a single click on the same. And here you can mention Oracle underscore SRC. So here we will consider it as a Oracle underscore SRC.
Oracle underscore
SRC.
SRC. Right?
Okay. Yes. And in the username, mention HR. Password is the HR on the same manner how we had given just now. And again, click on test.
HR, right?
Yes. Click on
It's with capital or small? This what?
yeah, on the same manner how we have written just now. Can you please
Okay.
come? Yeah. Click on test. Now, the status is success. Click on connect. Now, can you please, yeah. So here we are done. Again, scroll up and minimize the admin. Here you can see Oracle underscore SRC is created. Okay. So now here we are done. Now again, restart your system, and now we will go for the installation of Informatica.
Okay.
So the moment we will restart it, it will get refreshed.
Okay. So I can close.
Make a right click on the SQL developer, very down, make a right click and pin to taskbar. So from there, next time, whenever you will open, you need not to come back over here. Yes, pin to taskbar. So here you can see at the very left, right down in the pin taskbar, it had the icon has been generated. Okay. Now you can shut down your system and restart it. Now make a double click on Informatica extracted file. Make a double click on the server install. Server install. Make a double click on this source over here. Make a double click source. Yeah. Come back. Go back. Come to the server over here. Server. Make a double click on the same. Now click on the install. Very second last icon. Here. Click on next. Again. Click on next. Here. Make a single click on the three dots. Very first one. Come to the top. Go right. Make a single click on the three dots and then come to the C drive where your Informatica is in C drive and come to the folder Informatica. Make a double click on the Informatica. Here again make a double click on this server install. Yeah, here you can see Oracle All OS product key. Make a single click on the same and click on open. Now click on next. Here now click on install. Now the installation has begun and it will take some time depending upon your laptop speed. Minimum 10 minutes to maximum half an hour. Completely depends upon your laptop's uh, speed. So here you can untick the second one, that enable HTTPS for the Informatica administrator, and then click on next. Okay. And here in the database user ID, in place of admin, you can mention system. Let's go with the system. User ID, user password is the same which we had given during the installation of the SQL. That is, I feel that we had given admin, capital ADMIN. And here you can see the host name. So in place of host name, just mention localhost without removing colon and port. Yeah, just remove the host name and mention localhost. Local, LOCALHOST, without any space. Now remove the port number and just mention 1521, because the same detail which we had taken the screenshot. The service name will be XE. Now, yeah, click on XE, the small x, small e. Now click on test connection, write down, yeah, connection is established. Now click on OK, and then click on next. Here, give the keyword as administrator @1, capital A followed by capital A. And then administrator @1, and then click on next, click on OK. Here you have to take a picture of the same. Again, take a screenshot for the same, because these details will be required. Here, hold on. In the domain password, give the password like administrator, capital ADMINISTRATOR, on the same manner how it is mentioned domain username. Again, in the confirm password, give the same password, administrator, and then click on next. Allow access. Now here you can see it is executing the command. Okay. Now here untick the Informatica, run Informatica under different user account, and then click on next. Untick the same, untick first, and then click on next. Now here, make a single click on the Informatica Administrator homepage link. You can see at the very center. And then Informatica homepage, it will get open. Here, we need to give the same username and the password which we had given during the server install. So the username is administrator, capital ADMINISTRATOR. On the same manner, the password is capital ADMINISTRATOR. And then click on login. Here we are doing the repository configuration. because it is required to create a one repository. Now, here, now make a single click on the left side. You can see the action. Yeah, action. Make a single click on the same. Click on new, and then from here pick the option PowerCenter's repository service, the very first one. And then here you can give the repository name. You can give repo, okay, underscore ETL class, and then from the drop down in the license, next, yeah, pick the license number from the drop down. Same on the node for the node also, and then click on next. Here, the database type, pick the Oracle from the drop down. Here the username, it will be system, and the password for the same which you had given, I feel admin password you had given. Remove the db name.world, and in place of that mention xe, and the down you can see they specify the creation portion. So untick the, so now click on no content exist under the specified connection, and then click on and click on enable version control, click on finish. Now here you can see you got the notification that the PowerCenter repository is available. Now you can see at the very center of the screen repository properties. So come to the very right side, the edit icon, make a single click on the same. Yes. And from here, from the drop down, make the change to exclusive to normal. Click on OK. Click on OK. Again, it will restart our repository, which we have created just now, from the exclusive to normal. And the next, after this, we will configure integration services. This is what we created the repository. On the same manner, we have to create the integration services. Now here you can see at the very center of the screen, you are getting the notification that this PowerCenter repository service is available. Okay. Now again, make a single click on the very left side, the domain underscore laptop underscore CS left side, that is right. Okay. Scroll top, make a single click, so it will get selected. Again, make a single click on the action, click on new, and again this time pick PowerCenter integration services. Here we have to give our name and the remaining details. Here you can give the integration name like int underscore ETL class. Again on the same manner, from the license, from the drop down you have to pick the license number. Next node also, click on next. Again from the PowerCenter repository drop down, we have to pick the same repository which we have created just now. Make a single click on the drop down, repo class. Okay, and in the username you have to mention administrator, so capital ADMINISTRATOR. On the same manner, the password for the same, and here you have to change the ASC to Unicode. Click on finish. Click on OK. Now here you can see the PowerCenter integration service is disabled, so we have to enable the same. So come to the very right side, you can see the green color button just below the action. So make a single click on the enable the service. Now it is enabling the services. Now you can see the service integration is available. So we are done for the admin configuration. You can minimize the same and again come to the C drive where we have kept our Informatica. You can minimize this one also. Yeah, you can minimize this folder also. Come back, one back. Here the client, the very first one. Make a double click on the C, make a double click on the install. Here you can see the client installation has begun and it will not take that much of time. Click on next. Now again click on next. Here pick the option PowerCenter client and then click on next. Here no need to do anything, again click on next. Here now click on install and this installation will not take that much time how much the server has taken. It will take almost 30% of the time. Now you can see it's got 100%. The final stage it is. After this, we will get on one message regarding the installation has been done successfully. And then next we will go for the configuration of the domains. Now here it is done, and now you will get the message. So this is the final message that our client installation has been done successfully. Now you can minimize this one, and very left, very down, you can write down designer in the search icon. Yes, make a double click on the PowerCenter designer. Then the designer tab will get open. Click on OK. Now come to the very top at the repository, left side, very top here. Okay. Now just skip this one. Make a right click. Make a right click on the repository. Yeah. So now here it is coming. Now click on the configure domain, and here make a single click on the square box next to the left side of the cross icon. Yes, the same. Yes. So here we have to give the domain name. So the domain name is the same domain name which we have got during the configuration of the administrator. So can we come back to the administrator page? Yeah. So make the domain underscore laptop underscore CS. The very left side you can see just below the action. Okay. Make a single click. Now here at the very center of the screen you can see the properties. Make a single click on the properties. So the moment you will click on the properties, this page will get open. So you have to copy the same, the domain underscore laptop underscore CS6, which is over mentioned. Now copy the same and again come back to the designer where we are doing the configuration. This is our domain name. So just mention the control V, and here in the gateway host, mention localhost. Again, in the gateway port, you have to mention 6005, and then click on OK. You can see at the very right side, you got the same repository which you have created. Now select the same and then click on OK. So at the very left side, now you can see the repository underscore ETL class. It has been generated. Now make a right click on the REP repository underscore class which we have created just now, and click on connect. And here the password is administrator, and the username is administrator, and the password is also administrator. Password also in the same manner. Now click on connect. So here we have done the configuration of the Informatica, including all configuration we have completed. Make a single click on R. So that is the repository. So we will create one folder. Make a single click on R. So the repository will get open. Okay. Now click on OK. At the very top, you can see the folder. Yes. Next to view at the right side, make a single click on create and give it any name. You can give the folder name as ETL testing class, and then click on OK. So here we have created the folder. Now click on OK. Okay, now here we are done. So every installation and configuration for the client server repository configuration and the domain is successfully completed. So hope it will help you to configure and install the Informatica. Thank you.
Thank you.